Lesson 2, Unit 4, Quality Management. Quality management is defined as the process for ensuring that all project activities, and that includes the deliverable of all goods and services, are effective and efficient and will satisfy the need for which it was undertaken. Here are the quality management steps. Plan quality. Identify all the standards of quality that the project will follow and assign responsibilities for quality. Quality assurance. Making sure all the processes to complete a deliverable, including the procedures from checklists and instructions, align with the quality standards. Quality control. The process to control quality of all deliverables. Before the goods or services are delivered to the beneficiaries, you need to make sure they meet the quality standards. And improve quality. In every cycle, you need to make improvements. This will help you reduce the occurrences of poor quality in the deliverables. In quality management, quality follows a simple cycle. For every type of work you need to do in the project, there is a process for which you will plan the work, planning the activities that will create the outputs, do the work, implementing the plan, check the work according to the standards of quality, and act on the results and improve the work for the next cycle. Whether you are delivering goods or services, you should use this cycle. With every iteration of the cycle, the quality of work outputs will improve. This is known as the quality shareware cycle. Quality depends on a series of policies, processes, and procedures that need to be implemented before any work starts. This pyramid shows the dependencies. At the bottom are the procedures. They define the specific instructions necessary to carry out quality management. Includes the forms, checklists, templates, and other tools used to manage quality. The next level defines the process to manage quality. It is a detailed set of related activities to manage quality. The next level details the policies that help enforce quality standards, including rules and guidelines to ensure compliance with quality. Finally, at the top is the level that defines the quality standards and includes information on quality metrics you need to follow in the project. A tool used in quality management is the quality matrix that describes the quality processes for each deliverable in the project. The first column is to identify the WBS element, then a description of the expected results or deliverables. The next column includes the expected date for the deliverable. If it's too late and people don't need it, it doesn't serve the purpose of the project. Then you need to list any relevant specifications or quality standards that the product or service needs to follow. Then is the column to check on the verification process. This is the process to ensure the deliverable meets the quality standards. Then the approval criteria. These are the tests, standards, or benchmarks to approve a deliverable. Then is the person who will approve the deliverable. This is part of quality control. And finally, in the last column is the status that captures information on the quality of the deliverable. A chart can significantly help identify problem areas. One of the charts used in quality management is called the Pareto Chart. This chart graphs the areas where quality problems exist and organizes them by frequency. The chart receives its name from the Pareto principle, which states that 80% of the quality consequences results from 20% of the causes. For example, errors that occur when collecting data using paper surveys. The quality control shows a series of mistakes or errors. When you organize the causes, you will find that about 20% of the causes are creating 80% of the problems in the project. By focusing on that 20%, you can reduce 80% of the problems that you have with data collection. Here are some recommendations on quality management. Make sure you have a good understanding of all the quality standards needed for the goods and services that the project will deliver. This could be the international or local standards and even standards from the organization. Quality is a team effort. Make sure that the whole team is involved and understands the quality standards they must follow when working on deliverables. Make sure they have the tools and the training necessary to produce good quality outputs. Quality also has a focus on beneficiaries. Always consult with the beneficiaries who are the final users of the goods and services, and make sure the outputs will be relevant to their needs. And continuous improvement. You cannot have quality without continuous improvement. The first time you try something, you will have problems, but only through the process of continuous improvements, you can start building quality in the deliverables.